just got off work. I don't know how good you guys are gonna be able to hear me with all the windows, so let me go ahead and roll them up real quick. But yeah, man, we just got off work. We're headed home right now. As y'all see, we're in the mountains currently, you know, cruising through. Good views, you feel me? Magnificent. But yeah, we just got off work, headed home. This might be just like a little mini vlog, bro, just, you know, just to post something on the channel and to see what you guys want me to do to the Q50, bro. Anything you guys want me to do to the Q50, let me know down below in the comments. Drop down below, tell me, and I'll be doing my research. I already have a plan and everything I want to do for my car, you feel me? This isn't my like race car, but it is my race car. But I plan on actually keeping this car forever, like dead ass. I have like a whole little story on the reason I want to keep this bitch, you feel me? And yeah, so that's why I'm gonna end up keeping it, and I'm not slowly building it, because obviously I'm trying to build it. If I had all the money to just to throw it in this bitch right now, I would. But until then, you feel me, you know, we're just starting this YouTube is not paying at all, not yet, you know what I'm saying? We need to hit the goals first. But yeah, man, if you're new here and you want to see what I will do to my Q, it's not gonna be like everybody else's Q, bro. I promise you. I absolutely promise you that. My Q is not gonna be like everybody else's. I want mine to be 100% different, bro. Because, you know, let's face it, everybody that you know that got a Q is damn near, they're all built the same, bro. Like, pretty much. Look, speaking of it, there's a Q right there. But they're all built the same damn near, bro. Like, pretty much 90% of them is all built the same. They all damn near look the same, you feel me? So I want to build mine a little different. I got a bunch of ideas that I've never really seen no one do before, and if I have, it's in a whole different country. Like, I live in California, United States, and y'all know, bro, it's Q heaven up here. Like, there's Qs everywhere, you know what I'm saying? But a lot of them aren't modified, and if they are modified, they low-key kind of look the same, or all of them have the same damn parts, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to be different, bro. So yeah, man, that's the goal, is, you know, be different, build this Q, keep the Q. Next car I want is probably an M340i. That's one of the real cars I want. If not, they went back into production with the Infinity Qs, so who knows, I might get the new Q next, or when I pay this bitch off, not next year, you feel me? Or if YouTube start hitting like that and we really making money, build this bitch and then pay it off and go buy another car, you feel me? But until then, man, hope you guys stick with the process, hope you guys stick with the journey. We will be dropping all kinds of car content and vlogs over here, the mix of both, you feel me? Just to start building an audience and actually posting videos for y'all. But yeah, we still on the same way, on the way home, you feel me? I'm over here driving with the knee and shit, but yeah, we're on the way home, and yeah, I'll catch y'all once we make it to the pad, man. If I can get to the damn whip. Oh, nighttime is actually pretty sick. It's not bad. Oh, yeah. Damn, cinematic is actually a little too close. I need to zoom it out. Cinematic is way too close. Let me zoom out for y'all boys real quick. Let's hit it with some downshifts. 5th gear. That's 4th. That second. No, that was just at low RPMs that I let it drop and let it ride. Now I'm gonna downshift further up when we get to the next stop sign, and you guys are gonna see how more aggressive and louder those shifts sound. And this is I only have a Rev 9 axle back exhaust, so it's literally nothing extravagant or anything. car self-shifting by itself too. I need to do my back brakes. That's why you can hear them a little bit. That car hit the corner hella aggressive. Like hella aggressively. Self-shifted again. I can't really do too mad of a pull down this street because this is a cop street, so can't do too much. I might do a little, nah, there's a street coming up that I can do a good little pull for y'all. Try to do too much because I got to use a lot of this gas for work tomorrow. I got to head down the hill. This Q is also my daily, so it's like, you know, I be putting hella miles on my sweet baby, bro. It kind of sucks. I get mad sometimes. Traded my other daily in for this to become my new daily. I need to stack up money and buy a fucking Honda or something to have another daily. Like I just put miles on. Cause I do not want to keep putting miles on my car, bro. Like it hurts. I'm not gonna lie. Watching this odometer go up. Got this shit at 56K miles, 56,000. I was like, no, yeah, 56.7 I want to say it was. And I've had the car for like 6 months now, 6 or 7 months now. So I put like what, 10,000 miles? No, way more than 10,000 now. Like almost 20,000 miles on the car. Kind of sucks, man. I'm not gonna lie. My warranty goes out in what, 8,000 miles. All right, but here's a little mini pull for y'all. There we go. It was a little mini pull. That was like a not a 0 to 65 because technically we were already going 5 miles. I mean, you can kind of say that, but yeah, we just pulled up to where I'm gonna be. So I'll catch you on the next clip. Y'all let me know. I mean, this is stock Q, bro. The only modification I have is the Rev 9 exhaust. So y'all let me know. Yeah, man. So we waiting for the gas. It's at $24 right now. I need to remember to take out my tools because I still have bag of tools and my jack. You guys can't see down there, but I was doing one of the homies' brakes and rotors. I thought I was gonna head back to his house, but he never hit me up, so he must have got busy or some shit. So I gotta remember to take this shit out of my car so it's not sitting here in the morning. But gas is done. Let's go ahead and fix a pump and get on the road so I can give y'all some real pulls. All right, y'all. All right, we here. I was trying to do leave my Apple CarPlay on, but it kept glitching out for the first time ever that I was trying to record, you know, while the CarPlay is on, because usually it'll allow you to. It was just glitching out for me. It just wouldn't let me. But we were in the car. We got it in, you know, regular normal mode, bro. We're at 75K miles, bro. My warranty ends at 83K. No. But let's go ahead and throw that bitch in sports mode. Y'all see. So it's gonna naturally downshift and sound real good on its own. We'll roll the windows down. I hate how you can hear the serpentine belt so loud in this car. Well, these cars, all these Qs are like this, and it just sucks. You got to get a shorter, smaller pulley to try to help that, and it really doesn't help that much. Those of y'all that have a Q, y'all understand my pain and understand what I'm talking about. But all right, let's get it. We got to go to the gas station first. So turn on my lights. All right, I don't know how you guys want me to record this POV. Let me crack my windows a little bit so you can't really see my phone. Well, let's get it. Y'all see, we gotta get gas, bro. Let me go ahead and see how much gas I have. Oh, I was doing connections. vehicle, fuel economy. We have 123 miles. Oh, it's kind of bright. You guys can't see that. But we got 123 miles right now. I'll show you guys what the downshift sound like pretty soon. Up here next. I can't fucking drive too crazy because I just noticed I did an oil change on my car yesterday and fucking my fucking tires are starting to get bald, so I can't be doing ridiculous crazy shit. Oh my god, this car's about to pull off. You got a car this way, car coming all types of ways. Oh, there's a car and a truck. You feel me? The truck's turning. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Alright, we're good. Fuck, I'm like, I can't see shit. Alright, hold on, here we go. After I get this gas, I can really, there's a street that I'm gonna take and I can actually do some pulls down. But y'all hear it on the shifts. Sounds way better like on my way to work, obviously, because it's fucking like 40 degrees outside, you know, and the turbos are really loving it. I mean, it's only 72 degrees out, so it's not like fucked, but it just sounds better. All right, man, we just made it to a fucking liquor. Feel me? Finna get that gas and shit. Gas and liquor. Oh my god, the Tesla behind me was flying. Need to chill. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get that gas real quick.